Hey guys, happy Sunday! It's Sunday, October 14th. I just got done with my 2 p.m. Weight Watchers meeting. Super good. So last week, it's interesting trying to track the growth of a new meeting because number one, I have no idea how they're advertising. I know it's on the Weight Watchers website. I know that there are signs at the workshop site. And other than that, I think it's just like word of mouth, but people are looking it up and finding it on the website apparently, because today we had, so last week I had 3 people, and let me see, 2 of them were people that I knew and 1 was a new person. This week we had 3 completely different people, none of them that I knew, and 1 was a new enrollee as well. So I mean, it's good that we're getting different people in. The goal, of course, is to get these people coming back. Actually, today we had 3 people that stayed for the meeting. 1 was new, and 1 of the girls from last week came and just checked in for weigh-in. So I guess that was a little better. So it's weird tracking the growth and, you know, like, what am I supposed to do and how can I make it better? And I don't know, but I am doing, I don't know, we're just trying to see how it works, and the whole time slot is a little odd too because everybody in this area seems to think that a Sunday morning meeting is better, but the thinking behind the Sunday afternoon meeting was so that people could go to church and like take care of things and then come on a Sunday afternoon. And one of the girls who came today said that Sunday afternoon works perfect for her because her kids are actually napping at that time, so that's good. Anyway, it was a good meeting, and we did have a total of 4. That's cool. Yeah, so now I'm headed to get my salmon salad because I have a few errands to do and I have not eaten a thing yet today. So last night I did laundry late last night. I did this because I wanted to listen to the audiobook and finish the audiobook so that I could do the book club discussion this morning and be done with the book and be up to speed. Totally backfired. I have to remember that my first and foremost priority is that I have to get enough sleep or I'm good for nothing. I couldn't even wake up this morning to do the book club. So for those of you that were waiting for book club, I'm so sorry. It comes to a matter of my health and my priorities, and I handled that poorly. I'm so sorry. So I'm planning to instead do the book club discussion next Sunday, and I will have proper sleep so it will move forward as planned. But that's what happened this morning. I just totally like kind of crashed and burned. So sorry about that. I slept until about 11:30 and then I had to get up and get ready for my meeting. So I've had nothing to eat today. I've had a seltzer water and that's it. So I'm going to go have my salmon salad, and it's 3:42, so that's probably going to be my dinner. And yeah, I don't know if I'll have anything else later tonight or not, but if I do, I'll be sure and let you know. So I'm gonna go get a little bit of, I still have a work thing to do for my tomorrow job. So I'm going to do that at the restaurant. It's like a performance evaluation thing that I need to do. So I'm gonna do that at the restaurant and hopefully get my meal plan set for this week. And yeah, that's what's in my immediate future. Okay, here's a very little teeny tiny grocery haul for you guys. I didn't get everything that I wanted, but here's what I got from Albertsons. I got some elbow macaroni for Eddie. He likes to make pasta with elbow macaroni. I got some green chilies, some diced green chilies for a green chili enchilada recipe that I want to make from Barbara Roberts. So I'm going to try to make that this week. I got some Country Time lemonade for Eddie. Got some non-fat plain Greek yogurt from Chobani. This is my favorite non-fat Greek yogurt. It's just good to have on hand. But I'm also going to have this with, I'm making something called Tastes Like Apple Pie. It has yogurt in it. And then I'm also mixing this hopefully with some Hungry Girl apple pie, Scoopable apple pie this week. So I need lots of yogurt this week. Yogurt is just always good to have on hand. That's my favorite. I got some sparkling ice This is the ginger lime flavor. I'm curious to see what that tastes like, so that's why I got just one bottle of that. And then I got some Downy Wrinkle Release. My niece told me this stuff is awesome, so I hope so, because I hate ironing, I hate steaming. I'm gonna give it a try. Downy Wrinkle Releaser. We'll see. Okay, and this is the very minimal stuff I got from the dollar store this week. So I got some of my fat-free half and half, 4 tablespoons for 1 point, 1 tablespoon for 0 smart points. I got some fat-free, no fat, refried beans, 0 smart points. I got some green enchilada sauce. This is for the green enchilada casserole that I'm gonna make this week, hopefully. I got some cooking oil for Mama Rita. Got some shredded matchstick carrots for the carrot cake oatmeal that I want to make. Got some green salsa for the green enchiladas that I want to make. Got some licorice, Aussie Outback licorice. I don't know how authentic this is. Dee, you have to tell me. Aussie Outback licorice for my dad for his birthday. And then I got some markers for Mama Rita. She is doing an art project for Small Acts, Big Changes, which is the company that we colored the angels for. So she's doing some other projects for them as well. So this is all I have from the dollar store. Okay, tonight I'm making Hungry Girl's Scoopable Apple Pie, which is one of my absolute favorite recipes, especially in the fall. It's so good, it's so versatile, and it's absolutely 0 smart points. I love it. So the first thing I have to do is I have to take 8 apples and peel them and slice them. So that's what I'm going to do first. I have my 8 apples here. Here we go. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is combine 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, regular salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to combine that with 3/4 a cup of water and stir it all up. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour the cornstarch mixture over my apples. I'm going to stir it up, and we're going to cook this on high in the crock pot for 1.5 hours. That is it, guys. So easy, so delicious.